Welcome to CryptoBuild, your go-to channel for breaking down crypto basics, one block at a time. No hype, no jargon. Just clean logic and practical insights. Let's go over some basics of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a form of digital money, but unlike pesos or dollars, it's not controlled by any bank or government. Think of it like digital gold. There's a limited supply, and people can buy, sell, or hold it as an investment. Bitcoin runs on a network called the blockchain, a public ledger that records every transaction. It's secure, decentralized, and global. You can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere, without needing a bank. But remember, Bitcoin's price can go up or down quickly. So always do your research before investing. That's Bitcoin in under 60 seconds. Bitcoin works like digital cash, but without banks or middlemen. Instead of a central authority, it runs on a network of computers called nodes. Every time someone sends Bitcoin, the transaction is broadcast to the network. These nodes check if the sender has enough balance, and if the transaction follows the rules. Once verified, the transaction is grouped with others into a block. Miners compete to solve a complex puzzle, a process called proof of work. The first miner to solve it adds the block to the blockchain, a public, permanent ledger. As a reward, they earn new Bitcoin. That's how new coins enter circulation. Every block links to the one before it, creating a secure chain of history. No one can change past blocks without redoing all the work, making Bitcoin nearly tamper-proof. So when you send Bitcoin, you're using a decentralized system that relies on math, not trust. That's how Bitcoin works in under 90 seconds. Bitcoin isn't just digital money, it's a new way to think about value and control. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't printed by governments or managed by banks. Its supply is limited, predictable, and transparent, no inflation tricks, no surprise bailouts. Bitcoin gives people direct ownership of their money. No middlemen. No frozen accounts. It's global. You can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere, without needing permission. For people in unstable economies, Bitcoin can be a lifeline, a way to protect savings from devaluation. And for builders and innovators, it's a foundation for new tools, apps, and financial systems. It's not perfect. It's not risk-free. But it's a powerful idea, money that belongs to you, not the system. That's why Bitcoin matters in under 90 seconds. Bitcoin sounds exciting, but it's not all upside. Its price can swing wildly. Gains can be huge, but losses can be brutal. There's no safety net. No refunds. No customer support if you send coins to the wrong address. Scams are everywhere. Fake wallets, phishing links, pump and dump schemes, all targeting beginners. And if you lose your wallet keys, your Bitcoin is gone. Forever. That's why research matters. Understand the tech. Know the risks. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Bitcoin is powerful, but it's not magic. It's a tool. Use it wisely. That's the reality in under 90 seconds. Thanks for watching CryptoBuild Flow, where we break down crypto basics, one block at a time. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss the next explainer. Got questions or want us to cover a specific topic? Drop it in the comments, we're building this flow together. Until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and keep building.